Hi there, Dory Sukup here, founder of InSPAration Management. I am here to share with you another question of the week. And this week's question comes to us from Pamela from New York. Her question is, I want to start doing more videos to market my business. Do you have some suggestions on how to get started? Well, I definitely do have some suggestions, Pamela. And one of them is, just get started. Pull out that iPhone, pull out a video camera, sit in front of it, and just start shooting. And the more that you do it, the more you're going to be good at it. I remember when I first started doing videos, as a matter of fact, you can tell how long ago from my hairstyles. If you go to the YouTube channel, you'll see how long and all the stages of the hair. But I remember when I did my first video, I was nervous. I didn't know how to really structure the video, didn't know what I needed to say. So I just started doing them. Now, were they perfect? Absolutely not. But do you care? As a matter of fact, people don't care if they're perfect. As long as you're delivering value, that's what they care about. So here's a couple of little tips for you. You need to have structure for your videos. And there are some key things that you need to do to make sure your video is going to be most effective and give you the results that you're looking for. So the first thing you need to have is you definitely need to be able to have a hook. You want to be able to grab the people's attention. As a matter of fact, you can do something similar to what I just did here with you. I asked a question. Well, that is a form of a hook where you grab person's attention, and if this is a topic that you're interested in listening to, then you're gonna stay and watch the video, right? So that's number one. Next, you have to present the benefit to that hook. So if they have a question or if they have a problem or a concern, then you want to share the solution or the benefit that you have that could address that problem or that situation. The third thing is you have to have an offer. You want to tell the caller what it is, or the person that's watching, what it is that you're trying to accomplish. So that would be an offer that will entice them to take action to whatever it is that you're talking about. And then number four, you've got to have the call to action. So those are four very important things. And the call to action should be either go to the website and do this, or give us a call and do that, or go on Facebook and share a comment, or give a review, or whatever. Those are all call to actions. And you've got to have those four things to make your video super effective. I'm even gonna make it very easy on you. Craig, who does all my videos, he's the founder of 360 Business Videos. He has a new program out where you can shoot the video, and the most difficult thing that people get stuck on when they're doing video is the editing process. So what you can do is have a Dropbox, shoot the video, put the video in the Dropbox, and then Craig's team can take it from there. They will put the bumper on the front, the bumper on the back, do the cards with the call to action, and voila, your video is ready to go and be put on YouTube. Then you'll be able to take that video and do whatever you want with it. Send it to Facebook, put it on Instagram, blog about it, send it as an email blast, put it on your website. The opportunities are endless. So through that one effort, from you doing just one video, now you're able to use it on all different types of platforms to get the word out about what you're trying to do. So I love videos. I've been doing videos for years and years and years. We have hundreds of videos on the YouTube channel, InSPAration Management. As a matter of fact, if you're not a subscriber yet, make sure you go and subscribe to the channel, because you get to listen to the question of the week, or you get to hear raving fans of what they're saying about the tools that we offer, or you get to see some other ideas and strategies to help you with your business. That's how we do many of our things. As a matter of fact, don't stop by subscribing to YouTube. You should also go to the newsletter InSPAration Moments and subscribe to that as well. As a matter of fact, my newsletter is becoming less and less writing and more videos, because you know what? People just don't read. People like to watch videos. So if you're not doing them yet, I highly recommend you start, and I hope that this gave you enough information to at least get you started. But if you need more help, make sure you contact us, and I'll be more than happy to provide you with more strategies and more information. Again, Craig's website is 360businessvideos.com, and he'll be more than happy to help you. All right, so start filming, film away, smile to the camera, and state what you want to say. So until next time, stay inspired.